Reliable vehicle operation is the be-all and end-all for any bus or coach operator. The OMNIplus ON Uptime Pro digital service makes it possible with round-the-clock, up-to-date diagnostic data on the vehicle, so you can make the right decisions fast. For predictive maintenance and repair management, OMNIplus ON Uptime Pro is ideal for companies with their own workshops. But what makes the Pro version different from the current OMNIplus ON Uptime service? Uptime has made the customer experience even better with its OMNIplus service outlet, while Uptime Pro supports the customer's own workshop. With OMNIplus ON Uptime Pro, you have direct access to all relevant diagnostic information in real time. This gives you greater transparency about the vehicle's condition, easier communication between headquarters and the driver, and optimum planning reliability. But how is the information sent in the first place? Messages from the driver's display are transmitted directly from the bus to the OMNIplus ON portal, eliminating language barriers and a lack of technical understanding. So, everyone can concentrate on their job even more. Diagnostic information provides immediate certainty about the status of the coach without the need for your workshop personnel to connect a diagnostic device on site or travel to the coach. The pre-interpretation of fault patterns enables a quick assessment of unplanned situations. This quickly makes it clear how serious the error is and which measures are required. Through anticipatory monitoring of your fleet, workshop processes can be improved, vehicle availability is increased, and costly hire vehicle replacements are reduced or avoided. And of course, the digital service is future-oriented and expandable. OMNIplus ON Uptime Pro. Vehicle diagnostic data for optimized workshop management and increased vehicle availability.